Everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. My battery is almost dead. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, and follow me on Instagram, as well as using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Y'all, I got a haul. I got soaps that I got maybe a week ago. I opened it up on Instagram. I got my candles that I got on, I think, the $15.95 sale. I got the rest of the spring candles. So yeah, and I actually bought some Fenty. I absolutely love Fenty makeup. But yes, I did get the new Fenty iconic icon lipstick. So yeah, I did get that stuff. Moving on, the soaps. Like I said, I got this stuff a week ago. I decided to grab Smoke, Caramel, and Bourbon. I grabbed 2 because I try to buy them always in 2, because y'all know stuff be selling out on the website and they do not replace them or restock them. So I decided to grab 2. 2 of the pistachio cream puff. Grab 2 of those. The scent notes is pistachio, almond, and whipped vanilla. That's the scent notes. The scent notes in this bourbon one: smoked caramel, aged bourbon, and leather, worn leather. That's the scent notes. I actually want to smell it. I most definitely smell the bourbon and the caramel. To me, this is giving me an it's this drink that I love. I love mixing like a milkshake with peanut butter whiskey. That's what this is giving me. It's not necessarily the peanut butter part, but it's most definitely giving me like a bourbon mixed with like a cream, like a vanilla. This is actually really good. But if you don't like heavy bourbon scents, you're probably not gonna like this. This is actually really nice. You do get the caramel. And then of course I got 5 of the vanilla marshmallow, because I've been waiting and waiting and waiting and patiently waiting for this hand soap to come back, because I absolutely love it. Y'all know I even tried to make this soap. I tried to buy like a French vanilla and some kind of vanilla creamy or a vanilla marshmallow hand soap and mix them together to get this. But I am so happy they came back with it. So I just grabbed 5 of them. So yeah, that's all of the soaps I got. Love that scent. Love vanilla marshmallow. If you have not tried it, I highly, highly recommend it. And again, the camera. Let's get into this box really quick, because I actually don't have a lot of time. I actually barely got 10 minutes. And I keep on shifting the camera. Receipt. I used some of my rewards and got 3 free candles. This one sounded crazy. I got 3 free candles with rewards. The first one is vintage. I probably will have to post the scent notes, because the scent notes is not on the jar. But I think it's like pepper, leather, and I can't not remember the other note. Yes, this is most definitely a grown scent. Yes, yes, yes. It smells like a man. Men's cologne. An older gentleman. I think pepper, maybe leather. No, lavender, I think. Okay, the scent notes for this vintage is blue lavender, fresh pepper, and vintage wood. Yes, yes, yes. You most definitely get a deep cologne-like scent. Yes, this is most definitely a very masculine scent. If you love those grown and sexy scent, those male fragrance or cologne scents, masculine scents, you will love this. This will most definitely be a nice gift for a guy, a bachelor. And I did grab 2 of them. Damn, this one feel broke. No, it's not broke. It's just the jar, the lid is loose. Yes, I did grab 2. I think this will be one of those candles that Bath and Body Works will be one and done. But I do love scents like this. I love the fact that Bath and Body Works is keeping our men in mind, you know, making more fragrances for men, you know, because they do a lot of fruity, floral, gourmand type of scents. They hardly ever produce candles or body care for the men. So this is really good that they're finally thinking about the gentleman. So yeah, I think this will be really, really good in a bachelor's house or for a gift for a guy. Ooh yeah, the Copper Coconut Sand. Copper Coconut Sand. I don't know why it's not focusing like it's supposed to. Yes. Nothing's working right because I'm in a hurry. Copper Coconut Sand. The scent notes is coconut, tiara petals, and sandalwood. Ooh, this is good. Now, you know how coconut, oh my God. You know how coconut sandalwood has that creamy note? This is similar to coconut sandalwood, but with a floral note added. This is good. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Okay, the 3 wick candles I decided to grab. I decided to grab Beach Weather. I was gonna say Beach Wood. Beach Weather. 1 o'clock. Beach Weather. Love this packaging. And of course, all of my candles is loose in a jar. Love, love, love. And my camera is acting up. Love the packaging. I love this tropical and blue and green. This is everything. This is super, super nice. Again, like I said, the candles. I understand. Okay. I do understand that it is cold outside and a lot of the candles will be loose in the packaging. If that bothers you, you most definitely could call Bath and Body Works, and sometimes, most of the times, they will replace your candles. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I probably just roll with what I got. Yes, this is good. Oh, my granny's on. The scent notes is sandalwood, coconut, pine tree, and crashing waves. Crashing waves. Come on now. So basically, sandalwood and coconut and pine tree. Palm tree, not pine. Palm tree. I don't know. I really can't smell it. I might more than likely will come back to that one. The next one is Coral Waves. Again. I hate it. 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 I absolutely hate it. Coral Waves. Y'all know the packaging. I don't like this packaging at all. It is not appealing to me, so I'm hoping that this scent is more appealing than the packaging. Peach Nectar, Beachside Coconut, Fresh Mango. This, to me, this is, I get a lot of peach. I don't really get, and it could be because it's cold and that's the note that's really, really coming out. I'm getting a lot of peach, and it's not a sweet peach. It's like a peach that's not all the way ripe. That's what I'm getting with this one. And on cold, I'm not feeling it. Fresh Bamboo, again, do not like the packaging. The packaging is not appealing to me. Hopefully the scent is appealing. Okay, the scent, this one isn't loose at all. I'm not sure why those other ones is loose. They all in the same package, but I'm just saying. Sweet Bamboo, Jasmine, Wild Grass. Most definitely a green, grassy like scent. Yeah, this is very much an outdoor like fragrance. This candle most definitely be good to burn like on the patio or things, something like that. But again, these candles is cold. That green note or that fresh plant like note is the first thing I smell. So yeah, more than likely I'm gonna have to come back and smell these like when I get home from work or something. Sweet Red Mango. Now I only got one, but I had high hopes for this one. I hope again, this one is loose. God dog. What time is it too? I get it. I know it's cold, but this digs under my skin. It digs under my skin because this is not safe. But packaging, super nice packaging with the orange and yellow. Love this packaging. Again, this is sweet, what is it called? Sweet Red Mango. Scent notes is ripe mango, peach, pineapple. Most definitely smells sweet. Most definitely smells sweet. The first thing I smelled was the pineapple, but again, these candles, they're cold, so yeah, first thing I smell is like the pineapple, and then I get little hints of the peach. Don't really smell mango. The last two I got is the tropical, what is it? Tropical Island Colada. I think I got two because I think I'm really gonna like these. Loose again. Oh. Hands ashy too. I hate it, but okay. Packaging, love this packaging again. Tropical Island Colada. Scent notes is pineapple, coconut milk, vanilla, crushed ice. Those notes sound familiar to me. A tropical drink. This might be just like the pineapple colada. What's it called? I think it's called pineapple colada. I'm gonna have to compare those scent notes. Pineapple colada. I got a feeling this is a repackage. And here is the second one again. Loose. So yes, I did grab two. It's basically, I got 5 candles and all of them except one is loose from the jar. This just digs under my skin, and I get it. And I know y'all gonna say that in the comments. Well, it's because it's cold. We were getting loose candles even in the summer because I got a couple. If you look back on some of my summer videos, yes, we were still getting candles that was loose from the jar. I'm just saying. Bath and Body Works, please, please, please. Quality control, please look into your quality control department because they are not doing what they supposed to do. But come on, y'all raising the price. These are $26. Y'all raising the price to $29.50. We can't still be having these problems. We can't. We don't even get these type of problems at Aldi, and their candles is $4.29. So I'm just saying, we got to do better. We have to do better. If y'all want that big price, that increased price, and y'all still want us to purchase these candles, you got to get your quality department together. I'm just saying. And I'm sorry for those people who don't like for us to talk bad about Bath and Body Works, but this is my money. And yes, I demand quality. Real shots. I'm just saying, please look into the quality department. We should not be having these issues. I understand the weather do cause the glue to, or the candle to loosen from the jar. I get that. I understand that. But this happened in the summer as well. If y'all want to charge the big price for these candles, y'all have to do a little bit better. That's all I'm saying. And sorry to the people who don't like rants like this, but this is my money and I have the right to say. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know if you still having these problems, these loose jar problems. Also leave in the comments, let me know what was the pick out of these new spring candles. What was your pick? What is your favorite candle? Let me know that in the comments. Also, yeah. And we're gonna end it here because I'm kind of pissed. I'm kind of pissed that 5 out of the 6 candles I got is basically damaged. I'm just saying, because if my house burn up, Bath & Body Works ain't gonna pay for it. I'm just saying, they'll more than likely blame me. So leave in the comments, let me know what was your pick. What did you buy on this $15.95 sale? Or no, it wasn't $15.95, the $10 off sale. Leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, thumbs up the video, follow me on my social media, Instagram. Also follow or use my hashtag. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.